Hey, Kari Baxter here from KariBaxter.com, coming to you today to talk about why you should use video marketing in your business to promote your business and yourself and your brand to get more leads and customers. Why? Why should you use video marketing? Why should you get over your fear of being in front of the camera? And why you should put yourself out there, how it's going to help your business. Why video marketing when there's so many other types of marketing you can do on social media right now? So I have some notes. I'm just going to be looking at those occasionally as I go through this with you because I don't want to miss anything. So the number one reason, the first reason we're going to talk about that you should use video marketing to promote yourself, your brand, and your business online is because people are looking for it, right? When you do videos, a lot of times you're teaching people things. Like in this video, I'm teaching you why you should use video marketing in your business. People are looking for content. When you want to know something, what do? You go to Google, you go to YouTube, you go to the internet to figure out how to do things. You don't go to Facebook really, right? You go to YouTube or you go to Google. So people are looking. You're looking, I'm looking, people are looking for answers to their problems, for solutions to their problems, and your video can be the solution to their problem. So let me tell you a few statistics about YouTube and why it's so powerful that you should be using it in your business. YouTube is the number 3 most visited website in the world on the internet. It's YouTube. I know Google's number 1. I'm not sure who, Facebook must be number 2. So YouTube's number 3. Of all the websites ever, YouTube is the 3rd most visited site. So it's very important that you put your videos on YouTube so people can find them when they're looking for answers to their questions. YouTube gets 1 billion with a B unique visitors a month. That's not like me going there 5 times. That's 1 billion unique people going to YouTube every month looking for answers to their problems. Either they want to be entertained, they want to be educated, they want a how-to video, they want that you to show them how to do something. So it's a very, very powerful website. And where Facebook people go to be social, right? They go to look at their friends' pictures or to, show people their cool vacation they're taking. People go to YouTube for answers, even if it's, they want to watch someone else play video games, which my teenage boys do, or they want to look at cat videos. They're going there to find a solution to their problem, where Facebook's not so much. So YouTube, if somebody's looking for an answer to their question and your video's there to answer it, you're the answer to their problem. It puts you in a way more respected position than on Facebook where you're interrupting them, right? Your marketing, your ad is interrupting their socializing. YouTube's a little different where you are somebody's savior, right? You're the answer to their problem. So it's a little bit different mindset when people are on YouTube, which you can use to your advantage. The last thing I want to say about YouTube is the traffic. When you're trying to find leads online and get people to come to you, you have to get in the traffic flow, right? There's a huge flow of traffic on Facebook. That's why people use it to market their business. There's a huge flow of traffic on YouTube. So if you can put your video in the way of the traffic, it's much easier for you to get found and much easier for you to get views. So that's a really powerful thing, right? Like you're not gonna go to some obscure website nobody's ever heard of. Like for instance, your blog. If you just post a blog post and hope people go there and opt in, it probably isn't going to happen because you don't have the traffic. If you put your video on YouTube, you're putting yourself into the stream of traffic and you don't have to go out of your way to pay for that or find that. It's already there. You're just going to put your video up there so people can find you. So that's kind of a long-winded number 1 start to why you should use video marketing in your business. The second thing I want to talk about is it's free. Yay! We all like free. A lot of times we're moms, we're stay-at-home entrepreneurs, we're getting started on a shoestring budget, right? You've put some money out to get started, and now you don't want to spend a bunch of more money to, generate leads for your business right in the beginning. So YouTube's free. Creating a video is free. I'm creating this video on my cell phone, and I'm using a tripod that we already had for our family. And even if you have to buy one, they're like $30. So getting started with video marketing is free. I upload the videos. I edit the videos and upload them right from my phone. I can see down the road hiring somebody to help me with editing, but for right now, I don't. It's all free, and I just, throw it up on YouTube and then learn some other kind of behind the scenes strategies for getting more traffic and more views, but it's all free in the beginning. Another reason number 3, everyone is using video marketing. Now, you don't necessarily always want to do everything everybody else is doing, but online businesses are using video. Offline businesses are using video. Realtors, network marketers, affiliate marketers, everything you can think of, they're using video. So you want to stay relevant. You want to put yourself, in a position of what your customers are looking for, and video will do that. And that kind of segues into the 4th reason you want to use video. These two are kind of connected, is video builds a connection and a rapport with your prospect. When I'm talking to you, you can see me and kind of how goofy I am, right? That I laugh, or I use a lot of hand motions, or I move my head, or whatever. You're building a connection with me. You feel a little bit more like you know me, you like me, you trust me. If you don't like me, then you can leave, and that's fine. But if you find my information valuable and you like listening to me and learning from me, then you'll come back for more. So video does that with your customer. And who do people do business with? People do business with people they know, like, and trust. So video starts to do that with your customer before you even talk to them. Before you even send them an email or ask them to opt into anything, this video is already doing that. And you can use video to do the same thing. Develop connections with the people that you're interested in working with, and that maybe down the road will be your customers. It's huge, and most other mediums they can't do that. An email does not build a connection like video. A Facebook post, and even an Instagram post, nothing builds a connection and builds rapport like video does. So those are my 4 reasons of why you should be using video marketing in your business. Even if you're a stay-at-home mom and you don't think you have anything to say, or you don't think you can do video, you totally can. It's an awesome way to get started in your business. And if you have any more questions about that, feel free to reach out to me. Post here. You can find me on Facebook. My Facebook page is at Kari Baxter Page, facebook.com/Kari Baxter Page. Find me there, reach out to me, say hello. And if you're interested in learning more about how I use Facebook to find prospects to talk to right away while you're waiting for your video marketing to work, you can go to karibaxter.com/PFBM for prospecting for busy mompreneurs, and I'll throw the link below. So leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and feel free to tag me in your videos. I would love to see what you're doing and if you're getting started, and if you have any questions or issues. So hope this helps, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.